Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the 2025 Triumph Speed 400. We'll go through its design, specs and features in details, so stick around till the end. Let's start with the front. The Speed 400 comes with a round LED headlamp with a half DRL ring. It gives a retro modern look and is super useful for night rides, especially in the city. For highways, you might want to upgrade or get an auxiliary setup. Talking about the front suspension, we have 43 mm upside down forks with 130 mm travel. This has been reduced from the 140 mm in the previous gen model. This ensures a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. The 17-inch alloy wheels comes with 110 by 80 section tire which offers great grip. I have personally ridden this bike for over 500 kilometers and the new Vredestein Centuro tires perform really well, especially at high speeds. Braking wise, the front has a 300 mm disc brake with a 4-piston bi-brake calipers. Plus, you get a dual channel ABS as standard, making braking much safer. For bike of this segment, the braking system feels solid, especially considering its weight. Coming to the middle part, the wide and upright handlebar gives a comfortable riding posture. It has a little angle to it, but overall it's very comfortable. The instrument console is semi-digital, showing speed, gear, position, fuel level and other useful info. However, the fuel indicator could have been a bit more accurate. The switchgear has a premium feel and a great upgrade is the adjustable clutch and brake levers now in the MY25 model. Talking about the fuel tank, it has 13 liters of capacity and the bike gives a muscular look and provides good knee grip while riding. On the fuel tank, you can expect a riding range of around 390 kilometers, but mileage depends on your riding style. Around 22 to 28 km in the city and 26 to 30 plus kilometers on the highways. Now performance wise, this bike has a 398cc liquid cooled single cylinder engine producing 39.5 bhp at 8000 rpm and 37.5 Nm torque at 6500 rpm. Whether you are riding in the city or on the highway, this bike is a blast to ride. Some even call it a rocket. If you're planning a trip to Ladakh or hilly areas, power won't be an issue. Talking about the gearbox, it has a 6-speed gearbox featuring 1 down 5 up shift pattern. The slip and assist clutch makes shifting smoother, especially in traffic, and the clutch feels pretty light. When comparing to the KTM 390 Duke, the Speed 400 offers a more relaxed ride. It's an excellent choice for daily use while still keeping the fun factor intact. Talking about the seat height, it is 803 mm, making it comfortable for most riders. Yes, the seat height has been increased by a few but the difference is not that major. The cushioning is good, so you won't feel much strain on long rides. I felt that the cushioning is even better than the Scrambler 400X now. And despite the 176 kg curve weight, the bike feels easy to handle and very light and nimble. The brushed metal exhaust looks stylish and the sound is deep and refined. It's not the loudest, but it has a decent note. At the rear, you get a monoshock suspension with preload adjustment. The 130 mm wheel travel produces a good balance of comfort and stability. Compared to the previous model, both front and rear suspension travel have been reduced by 10 mm. The rear also features a 17-inch alloy wheel with a 150 by 70 section tubeless tire, offering better road grip. The braking setup includes a 230 mm rear disc brake with a single piston bi-brake caliper supported by ABS. The tail section has an LED tail light keeping up with the modern classic look of the bike. The indicators are also LED, ensuring good visibility at night. So that was the complete walk around of the Triumph Speed 400 MY25, a powerful, stylish and premium feeling bike that's great for daily commutes and long rides alike. What would you pick, the KTM 390 Duke or the Speed 400? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, ride safe.